Hello.
Here, it's a brave. Ooh.
That's a video. Tell me where you are on the video.
Okay, we're in Kidwelly. Land of Dewi. Dewi is David in Welsh, but this is Kidwelly. And Kidwelly has a castle. And Kidwelly leads to over there, this ferry side. And the next point round is lawn. Very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Very. And we were talking with a Welshman and he was telling us that they used to bring coal down the canal. And it used to go all over the world. And it must have sailed from here. Because that's what this place is.
And the Vikings?
And the Vikings would come up the rivers and they were either trading or they were going into the churches of a castle and taking everything we had and doing a bit of rape at the same time. That's nice. This is a sunset. Over that way where the sun is now is where Swansea is and the Mumbles, where we took Felix and you. If you go across that way.
Yeah.
I think you'll be in time to see the sun blazing out on top of these reeds, and it'll light them up like a Christmas tree. There's our boat again. Yeah, Kidwelly, that's where you are.